In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in WordPress. Anchor links are an incredibly useful tool for improving the navigation and user experience on your website, allowing your visitors to jump directly to specific sections of a page without unnecessary scrolling. Let's dive into it. First, we'll start by adding an anchor, also known as an HTML ID, to a section of your page. If you're using the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg, find the block you'd like your page to jump to. This could be a heading or a paragraph, for example. Once you've selected the block, open the block settings panel, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. You'll need to locate the advanced section here. In this section, you'll see a field labeled HTML anchor. Enter a unique name into this field. Something simple like section 1 will do the trick. This name will act as the anchor ID that users will jump to when they click your link. Now that you've set your anchor, it's time to create the anchor link. To do this, choose the text or element, like a button or an image, that you want to act as the clickable link. Once selected, head over to the editor toolbar and click on the link icon. When prompted, enter the anchor link. This should start with a hashtag, followed by the anchor ID you've set, so it would look like now section 1. Make sure everything is correct and then save or update your page to ensure your changes take effect. Testing your newly created anchor link is an essential step. Go ahead and view your page, then click the link to make sure it smoothly jumps to the desired section. This is a quick and simple way to verify that your anchor links are functioning as intended. Before wrapping up, here are some extra tips on using anchor links effectively. They're particularly beneficial for creating jump navigation menus within a single page, which is excellent for improving user experience in longer pieces of content. If you're working with the classic editor, you can still add anchors manually. Switch to HTML mode and insert ID anchor name into the element tags, then link to them using the HTML code link. For those of you using page builders like Elementor, you're in luck as they offer dedicated anchor widgets that simplify this entire process visually. In conclusion, using anchor links in WordPress is a straightforward method to enhance content navigation and make your pages more user-friendly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.